Did he say Jamal or Jamal?
Jamal.
Wow. Oh, he stung it. Did you see it?
No, not yet.
Barely. Alright, let's just stop. I think we're bullying him. The worm's gonna escape that enclosure.
There, he's coming.
Oh. Pinch him. Oh! Oh. What kind of hurt do we know?
Kamusta ulit mga kosa? Ito, nagbabalik tayo. Welcome back uli sa Think Tarantulas TV. Meron tayong bagong video ngayon, ang feeding marathon. Pero meron tayong konting twist. Nilagay ko yung mga raw unedited audio file natin. So sana ayan, ma-enjoy nyo. Ayan, panoorin nyo mga kosa. Kasama ko yung dalawang anak ko dito. Yeah, far away.
Oh. Someone's auntie.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Cockroach run.
Wrestling it. Million pounds around the world.
Cockroach run.
Is the million pounds around the world. Walang awat. Walang awat.
Cockroach playing dead now. Okay. Hey, that was so simple. And he takes it into the hide. Never seen again. That's cool. Oh.
That's a bit of a boy.
That is so crunchy.
Should have put it here.
Yeah, it's right. He's going down. He's going down.
Oh, we won't be able to see the video. Yeah, there we go. We missed it.
Oh, I saw it. Wow, I can't believe he actually ate. He's more.
Oh man, that's rubbish.
I saw it though, Daddy.
Did you?
Yeah. I saw the shot. This guy's so slippery.
Found it.
Not bad. You kind of flipped.
Yeah, I found one of them.
It was alright, yeah. There's a fly in there. Oh, oh! Did you see his fangs? His house is really small, Daddy.
Oh, we need to rehouse him soon.
Yeah. We look into these enclosures. Whoa, that was sick. Another one?
No.
Ooh, his legs are so long. His legs are massive.
Mm-hmm.
Shuck.
You know the Santa Catalina, the one that got out. It molted.
Baby.
Yeah.
Or the one's really skittish. The one that always gets out. When he grows. My friend. Good luck. The fangs. Oh! Yay! That's all.
That would be good to slow mo, isn't it?
Oh.
Yeah.
You see the fangs like the. He's already orange, you know. That was quick. That's very quick.
That's a good one, yeah?
We need to rehouse. Shall I take out the moss? Does it
I think so, yeah. Yeah, we need to take out the moss.
Oh, chill.
I'll get it, Kuya. I'll get it. Hey!
What the? It's just. Another one. Yeah. You feeling another one already?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is slippery. Oh, he hasn't got it yet. Oh, he got it. Oh, he hasn't got it yet. It's in there. Oh! Oh, it's insane. Did you see that little daddy? Did you see how he scooped it up in his mouth?
Oh, that's a good film. That's a good clip. We needed that for our
Yeah.
For our content.
content. Right. In front of him. Oh, that nearly hit him.
Ooh. Kaka, kaka. I don't think she's gonna eat that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
There you
Yeah.
go. She's moving away. It's
Looks
okay. It's okay. Leave it. Yeah, take it. Yeah.
It's a primo.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. She's
He looks primo. Look at her
gosh,
back.
my
No, that's because
nose.
she's flicking it.
Who's this?
Your one.
He actually ate.
Yeah.
Bro, this guy's a fussy man. This guy's always eating, you know? Is it good?
It's okay.
It's regular.
Mm-hmm.
This guy's the best house. I knew he was gonna eat. What did I say? Should have been more warm now that I think of it. His back is just big in general, doesn't he?
What happened to his like drinker thing? It flipped over.
Oh yeah, please recycle me. He's in pain, that cat. Yeah, good boy. Go in. Oh my god, he scared me.
That jump scared
That scared me.
That scared me.
That scared me.
You need
Oh my god, he scared me.
He just like grabbed it. Can I get my items out of here? Go like all this worm.
So ayun mga kosa, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga raw unedited video clips natin, mga raw audio clips natin. Ayan, napansin nyo talagang mahirap mag-video dito sa bahay namin. Gawa ng yung dalawang anak ko talagang nakatutok at maingay. So anyway, mas enjoyable naman pag kasama ko talaga silang dalawa. Balik tayo dito sa normal editing natin na malinaw at malinis. At yan, ito yung Formictopus aureus natin. Pakainin natin siya ng yun, kinain. Yan mga kosa yung pinapakain ko sa kanila, mga baby hissing roach yan. Yung mga anak yan ng mga adult na hissing ko na, ayun, inaalagaan din natin at minsan pinapakain natin sa mga adult natin. Yung sa kaninang clip, mga kosa, yun yung Psalmopus cambridgei, Schizopemeline. So, yun, malaki na rin. Ito, ano ba to? Ito yung Schizopemeline din to. Ito naman yung Harpactira Cafreana na pinadala sa atin ni Idol Skits natin. Ayan, kumain din siya ng baby dubia naman yung pinakain ko sa kanya. Ito, medyo malaki na rin, no? Malaki na rin ang improvement at kinalakihan niya. Bali mga kosa, yung isang Cafreana na pinadala sa atin ni Idol Skits, medyo natigok, minalas tayo, kaya ito, nag-iisa na lang, male pa ata to. Kaya ayun, anyway, next one tayo. Ito naman yung Pampabetius mascara natin, female. Ito yung nag-refuse sa pairing na ginawa natin sa last video natin. So, ayan, pinakain ko ng worm. Ito yung pangalawa niya. Actually, hindi ko na press yung video record dun sa unang clip. Kaya ayan, ito yung pangalawang worm na kinain ko. Medyo gutom din siya. Ayan, oh. Ayun, binibira pa. Hindi niya makuha eh, oh. Ayun. Ayun, nadali na. Dalawang worm. Ayaw pang magpadali nito mga kosa. Kaya ayan, siyempre mag-aabang muna tayo. Hopefully, hindi pa kuhanin ni Boss J. Tarantula yung mail niya, pero ina-observe lang namin yung weather kasi mga kosa, malamig na dito sa Europe. So ayaw namin i-risk na i-transport, baka mamaya madisgrasya. Kaya yun. Anyway, sana ma-breed natin to soon mga kosa. At yun na mga kosa, maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa feeding marathon natin at saka sa mga raw unedited file natin, tsaka mga video reactions. So, yan, ganyan lagi dito pagka nagpi-feeding kami o kaya nagre-rehousing kami. Yung dalawang anak ko nanonood or minsan sumisilip-silip. Kaya yun, maraming salamat mga kosa. Don't forget to subscribe mga kosa sa channel natin. Suportahan natin ang Think Tarantulas TV. Siyempre, like and share mga kosa para yan, medyo lumago yung channel natin. Ito, tong clip na to mga kosa, fresh clip to. Ito yung jumping spider natin. Ayan, kinakain niya yung baby hissing din. Oh. Kinuhanan ko. Bali, matagal-tagal na labanan yan. In the end, pinutol ko na lang yung ulo ng hissing eh. Kaya yan. Anyway, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na suporta mga kosa. Hanggang sa muli, susubukan natin mag-upload ng mga magagandang pang hopefully mga content sa susunod na mga linggo. At saka nga pala mga kosa, yung free raffle natin, hindi pa rin matuloy-tuloy kasi inaantay natin na umabot tayo ng 500 subscribers. So, yung mga hindi pa nakakasali dyan, punta kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo yung Facebook page ni Babe Street. Nandun yung link kung paano makakasali sa free raffle. Mga Bapers lang yung mga, actually sa mga 4 Bapers yung raffle natin. But anyway, kung manalo kayo, pwede nyo rin naman ibenta yung ano yung mapapanalunan nyo para, di ba, at least ma-encash nyo or something like that. So, yun. Maraming salamat mga kosa at yan, sana dumami pa yung umabot na tayo sa 500 subscriber para ma-draw na natin yung raffle natin. Hanggang sa susunod na video mga kosa, ingat lagi tayo sa mga COVID-19 dyan. Ha? Okay. Approve. Maraming salamat.